How to troubleshoot videos not showing up in your YouTube playlist. Hey, it's Facey here, and today I'm going to show you how to troubleshoot and fix an issue where you add a video to your YouTube playlist but it's not showing up in the actual playlist. As you can see on my screen, I have a video is already added to two playlists. Now, when I go over to the playlist, I see that there is no videos. So what you want to do is you want to click into the full playlist to go directly to the playlist, and then you're going to land on a screen that looks like this. You're going to see a message here that says no videos, and you're going to have a blue button for you to click to add videos. If you do not see that and it's another list, you might see something like this. Then you're going to click on this tab and add videos and choose the videos. However, if you have a playlist that you created already and the video is not showing there, you want to go to the playlist, then add the videos from there. And you would just go again, click on the three dots, add your videos, and you might see if you're using a private browser or you're using an extension that has privacy settings enabled, you're going to have to allow cookie access here, and then you'll be able to go in and add the video. Okay, so that's it, how to troubleshoot and fix videos not showing up in your YouTube playlist. All right, see you next time. Hope that helps. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead, give it a thumbs up, like, share, and leave your comment below, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. And until next time, take care.